thrust into this public eye?
Well, that's interesting because I used to be insecure with my style.
Kai from PBB, one-on-one interview with Miss Universe Katriana Gray. Fans excited sa kanilang pagsasama? Don't forget to subscribe for more trending updates. Usap-usapan ngayon ang special one-on-one interview ni Pinoy Big Brother alumni na si Kai kasama ang mismong Miss Universe 2018 na si Katriana Gray.
Maybe nag-braces pa ako nun. Tapos, when I removed it, I was so confident. Kasi, wow, sino to? I went outside the house with lots of people looking up to me. At sabi ko, wow, nagtitira lang ako sa bahay ni Kuya. Ang dami na.
Parang my air of fear around the dentist, especially yung sound ng drill. Laging ginamit sa mga TV shows and all that. But I think what's really wonderful, and Sir Ruel, I would love to ask your input. I feel that Urban Smiles has really gone above and beyond to create these beautiful centers for their patients to walk into, to really have an experience. How did you...
Nagkaroon sila ng pagkakataong magkasama dahil sa kanilang endorsement para sa Urban Smile Dental Clinic kung saan pinag-usapan nila ang kahalagahan ng confidence pagdating sa pag-smile. Sa naturang interview, ibinahagi ni Kai ang kanyang journey patungo sa pagiging mas self-assured. Habang si Katriana naman ay nagbigay ng inspiring tips kung paano magkaroon ng queen-worthy confidence.
Whenever somebody smiles at you, hindi mo sila kilala, but just a simple smile, it really makes a difference with your persona, your demeanor. You feel confident, you feel safe that there is someone that appreciates you, di ba? Kasi to smile is to show that you appreciate the person.
At makita kayo lang in person.
Dahil dito, maraming fans ang natuwa sa kanilang natural na chemistry at nakakabilib na wisdom sharing. Sa kabila ng malaking agwat sa kanilang karanasan sa industriya, ipinakita ni Kai ang kanyang charm at husay sa pakikipag-usap na siyang hinangaan ng netizens. Marami ang nagsabi na kitang-kita ang improvement ng dating PBB housemate at posibleng maging susunod na beauty queen o TV personality. Dahil sa trending na interview na ito, mas lalong dumami ang sumusuporta kay Kai. Abangan kung ano pang exciting projects ang naghihintay sa kanya matapos ang epic moment na ito kasama ang isang Miss Universe.